Good afternoon. It's Ted the Wave Genius. It's 1 p.m. Eastern Time, March 4th, 2024. I'll be looking at my last trade. I've made 3 trades today. I'm up about $700 in NVDL. My last trade, I bought NVDL at 233.42, and then within 2 minutes, I sold it for 234.87. And I think it might be 5 waves up, so I'm gonna back off until it pulls back. It might pull back to around 860 at worst in NVIDIA. So that would equate to like 230 and NVDL. Let's see the Nasdaq. Still acting sideways and hasn't broken out. It got close to breaking out. It actually did break out and then faded from the breakout. So needs to attempt that again to set up a continuation of a 3. For S&P. S&P broke a new high, went positive briefly, and it has the best chance of going positive again from the down Nasdaq. So I think S&P could carry the market higher here. The Dow is broke out and then faded in a zigzag. So I'm gonna see what happens in the next 3 or 4 minutes, because the bond auction usually sets off another rally. But people are asking me about Tesla and Apple long term. Tesla's in trouble. I think my support target was 185, and it's like 2 points away from that. Let me double check. So if Tesla actually is 175, so if Tesla breaks below 175, it might drop to as low as 150 or the previous 4 in a big zigzag. This is a rough chart. Tesla just not doing very well. So again, if it breaks below 175 in the coming days, downside target is 150. Apple had some news. We got a huge fine, massive fine. But Apple broke support at 180, so the lowest target I can see is previous 4 at 165. And then maybe he can get his act together. Another question I got asked was Bitcoin. So my target was 67,000 based on 2.618. And that was my highest target. So I'm kind of leery about Bitcoin and people buying the Bitcoin ETFs right now, because it's pulling back now, finally. Pulling back 66,914. So worst case scenario, this is the most Armageddon scenario, that it tops out here and drops back to around 52,000 or the previous 4. Because this is 5 waves up with 2.618, third wave, and it's rare when it exceeds that target. So be careful with Bitcoin right now. Another one is Ethereum. Let's see, Ethereum. Ethereum, though, is lagging from Bitcoin, so I think it's got a lot of upside. So 4,200 is my target on a third wave in Ethereum. So I figure Bitcoin is going to pull back and Ethereum is going to fall through to the upside. Solana is down 1% right now. Solana broke out, but then faded. Let's see. Not that much. It didn't really fade that much. It's got support at 122. But long term, I can see it hitting 250. And that'll be a third wave. What are the stocks that I was going to look at? Yeah, I think that's it. That's a wrap.